How to change Facebook region settings. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now, select on your profile. As you select on your profile, tap on the Edit Profile option. As you do that, scroll down and under Details section, you can see the option of Hometown. So tap on Hometown. Here, you can see the option of Add Current City. So just tap on Add Current City, and as you do that, you'll be able to add your current city. So let's just search for one of these locations over here. So just have a tap on it and then tap on the city over here and then tap on Save, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.